Hi guys. I am a mega late today because 30 minutes behind because my other meeting just kind of ran behind, but I definitely wanted to make sure I got to you guys tonight to just basically go over some additional funding options that I just literally talked to the funders today, guys, and this is very exciting. So as you guys know, we are partners with several different micro lenders and CDFIs. And so if you go through our program, you would be able to go ahead and get some business funding from these particular lenders. So I am going to pull up if you are seeing this, guys, even on the replay, go ahead, like and share. And like, share, let everybody know who we are, all that good stuff, so that we can, spread the news. That really helps me. I am so excited, though, guys, that you literally have been helping my channel grow. I really, really, really appreciate you guys for doing that. And so this is something that, and I love giving back. I love Somebody just loved it. I love giving back to you guys. I appreciate you. So, hey, lady, see, I appreciate you, Deborah. You on here. Okay, so now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to talk about. I literally just got off the link with the lenders today, and so she gave me this big old list right here, y'all. Because if y'all trying to get some funding and they not trying to play, because I'm telling you, once we've been given, once we get our business plan over there, we basically have been, able to really help people get those loans. So right now, who qualifies for this is one of our lenders, right? So we got microloans, businesses with at least 6 months. Now, this particular one, guys, you gotta be in 6 months. I have other lenders if you're gonna be less than 6 months in business, but if you're less than 6 months, they have some. If you need some equipment, inventory, working capital, look, guys, we only need 575 credit score or no credit history. You must have a tax ID or a social security number. They're going to be looking at your last 3 months of business bank statements, and then we're going to be able to apply for a microloan there. Then we have businesses with less than 6 months, and basically, if we're looking for $25,000 to $50,000, and look at these rates, these are not bad, right? We can lose this for working capital, operating costs, vehicle, equipment. Your FICO needs to be 575 or better. Okay, last 3 months of statements, and she kind of told me what we need to be looking at as far as cash flow on those statements. So that's why we want to make sure that we are totally prepared prior to going over there, so that there's no issues when you go to the lender. There's no issues. We don't want any issues from that. So that's why we got to be prepared. Then you want something that's up to $49,000. This one is a 9% rate. So it can be used for these purposes. 30% of loan amount, FICO score 575. This one is only available to BIPOC and legal residents with a social security number. Hey, girl, yes, show the money, Denise. All right. Okay, so yep, we can get in. We go, you know what? All you gotta do is give us a call, 248-416-1755, and we'll be able to get you in to get into this application. And so, or email us, make sure, guys, if you emailing me, you're gonna make sure you email my assistant too, because I get hundreds of emails a day. So I want you to make sure, if you have my email, you also have my assistant email address, or call the front desk and go to my assistant and she'll get you together. All right. So now we got our business loan. If you've been in business 2 years, guys, they go up to $250,000. All you got to do is have a 600 credit score. This one is only available to BIPOC. That's Black, Indigenous, and people of color. So we got some special money for us BIPOC people. I'm BIPOC, okay? You know what, I'm thinking about going ahead and doing this one right here. And then business, guess what? Now, she told me on this one, you have to be in Wayne County for this specific line of credit. You got to be in Wayne County in Detroit. And then working capital inventory, seasonal businesses are good for this, like tax preparation businesses. No, my assistant Mary Ann, Deborah, just call 248-416-1755. They know who you are. Just go on ahead, call us, and we'll get you right in. So then you got a FICO score. You got to have a 625, or you can have a zero credit score. And this is only available for BIPOC businesses, and you must be in the you must have a tax ID or a social security number. So I there was another one that they had. Let's say you had less than a 500 credit score. She told me about this one. They got one specifically for less than a 500 credit score. Let me pull it down. Let me see. Nope, that ain't it. Okay, hold on. Dang it. I don't have that one pulled up, but that one's less than a 500. They even have one that's less than a 500 credit score. So you need to go ahead and get in on this, guys. Give us a call at 248-416-1755, and we will help you get navigate. Now, the other thing that I want you guys to know about is I am so excited about this mega business funding summit, guys. Here's what is going on. I literally finally I'm getting this event together, and thank you to the Greater Pontiac Community Coalition and the Committee of 50 in Pontiac, Pastor Douglas over there. He actually is helping me get this together. So I am so excited, guys. This event is called the Mega Business Funding Summit, and I am going to pull up my beautiful logo for you know what, I just want you guys to see how it's been out there for a minute, but there it is, the Mega Business Funding Summit. And we were supposed to have this in 2017, and obviously, as you can see, this was February 27th of 2017, and now it's 2023, obviously. But now we're not going to have the first, that didn't happen then. We're going to have the first annual Mega Business Funding Summit at the Pontiac Marriott. It's going to be on October 13th and October 15th, 9 a.m. 3 p.m. on Friday, and 9 a.m. to noon on that Saturday. And we have selected some business owners that we want to get funded at that event. If you are there, you can come on by and look at it and just kind of see, for this time only, we're going to do it like this. Next year is going to be a really, we're going to do it different next year. But this year, we're going to have up to 10 businesses that we are getting funded at this event. We actually want the people to get funded at this event. So we're going to be doing that there. But guys, guess what? Comerica is helping with this. Huntington is helping with this. Flagstar, PNC Bank, CIBC, and also I just talked to Ascendus, and they said they're going to be there. We got the state of Michigan Representative Brenda Carter is going to be there. Patricia Herndon, Executive VP Government Affairs, Savings and Loans Credit Union, City of Pontiac. I mean, Deshaun Ashby, Michigan Credit Union League, Ross Yednek, Department of Insurance, Financial Services, and this is to bring funding, financial literacy to new and emerging businesses. And basically, they're also going to be doing housing funding for minorities, women, and the Black and Brown communities from applications to equality and success. So we are going to be doing that. That is actually happening at the Pontiac Marriott next week, October 13th and 14th. Please just come out and support us. You guys, next year we're going to invite everybody, but if we would really love you to just come out, support us, and just, just support us. That's all. If you can make it out, please go ahead. Come in around, 1 or noon, and then just show your support to QT Business Solutions. Take some pictures, post it up, let everybody know about the Mega Business Funding Summit, because we want to make it really big next year. So there you go, the Mega Business Funding Summit happening. And also, you guys saw all of that funding. You guys saw all the criteria for that funding coming up. Also, I have a few free events that's going to be coming up. I'm going to be putting some flyers together out for you guys. So thank you again for attending and doing this. I'm actually going to pull up the lender criteria one more time for you guys, so you can have that, have all of that there, so that you can literally see what the criteria. I mean, these are only available for Black, Indigenous, and people of color. So they're really coming out, giving money to us and really stimulating our economy. And this is really helping. Oh, guys, I did find that one. So let's say you got less than a 500 credit score. So this one is for people that have less than a 500 credit score. You're going to start your line of credit at $500, and then we're going to be able to increase it to $5,000 after 3 months. Like, come on, y'all. You're going to start with 500, and then you pay 3 months, and then you're going to get a $5,000 line of credit. And then if you stay in good standing, they're going to increase it to a $12,000, a 12,000 line of credit. Ooh, they really helping us out. Okay, hey. Okay, thank you. Bring up, yes, thank you. Support us and let us know. But guys, if you guys want to get in here and apply for these, give us a call, 248. Oh, look at this, guys. You have to be Black or African American for this particular line of credit, and you must be in one of these states. So we're in Michigan. You have to have been operating in your business for at least 1 year. There is no minimum FICO score. You can have a 0 FICO score and get this. What you talk about? And then definitely you have to have less than $10,000 in past due debt, including your charge off. So you can't have over $10,000 in past due debt. You're going to have to fix that up. But at the same time, hey, this is real lenient. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So she can't see the state. The states you have to be in: Florida, New York, New Jersey, City of Newark excluded, Connecticut, Massachusetts. Guys, what's ME? What is ME? I don't know. Is that ain't Maryland? Maine. That must be Maine. Okay. New Hampshire, Rhode Island, Michigan, and Georgia. Okay, so I gotta learn my geography, guys. So yeah, May, thank you so much. So guys, no minimum FICO. You gotta be Black or BIPOC, Black or no, actually, you can't even be BIPOC. You gotta be Black or African American to get this. You're gonna start out with a 500,000, a 500 line of credit, but then after 3 months of good standing, you're gonna go up to 5,000. Come on, y'all. Come on, come on, come on. And then all they want you to do is have a good business plan. Come on, y'all. Call me 248-416-1755. Okay. And don't forget, come out to the Mega Business Funding Summit next week, guys. Come out to that Mega Business Funding Summit. It's actually being done by the city, Greater Pontiac Community Coalition and the Committee of 50 and QT Business Solutions, for the Mega Business Funding Summit. That's going to be sponsored by Comerica, Huntington, Flagstar, PNC, CIBC, and Ascendus Bank. Oh, guys, my lenders are going to be at this event if you want to sit and talk to them. So they'll be there. All right. Bye bye.